How much protein do seniors really need? Protein is essential for everyone, but it becomes even more important as we age. It plays a vital role in maintaining muscle mass, bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. However, it's not uncommon for seniors to fall short of their daily protein requirements. The good news is that there are plenty of delicious and easy ways to boost your protein intake and ensure that you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. In today's video, we will look at how much protein do seniors really need, what happens when they don't get enough, and some simple tips to help them meet their daily requirements. So make sure to watch till the end. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. How much protein does a senior citizen need? When you don't consume enough protein, your body may take longer to repair damaged tissues, which can lead to delayed wound healing. Protein is essential for the production of antibodies and other immune system components that help fight off pathogens. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, adults aged 65 and older should consume 25 to 35 grams of protein per meal and 75 to 100 grams per day. This can vary based on individual factors such as activity level, overall health, and any underlying medical conditions. This can be caused by a condition called edema, which occurs when there is an imbalance of proteins between the inside and outside of your body's cells. For example, people who are more physically active or who have certain medical conditions may need more protein. When you don't consume enough protein, your body may start breaking down hair tissue, leading to hair loss and thinning. When your body doesn't have enough protein, it may start breaking down muscle tissue for fuel, leading to weight loss. Additionally, protein plays a role in regulating appetite hormones, and a deficiency can lead to increased hunger and reduced feelings of fullness. This could include poultry, fish, beans, lentils, or nuts. You can make a protein shake with milk or yogurt and add it to your breakfast, or have it as a mid-morning snack. This can help make your salad more filling and satisfying, which can help prevent overeating at your next meal. They're high in protein and healthy fats, making them a satisfying snack option. Some great choices include almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. Some easy options include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and tofu. When you're hungry, reach for a protein-rich snack, such as a handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg, or a piece of cheese instead of a high-calorie processed snack. This can help you stay full and satisfied while meeting your protein needs. Just make sure that any supplements you take are safe and appropriate for your age group. These breakfast foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating later in the day. Look for foods that contain at least 5 grams of protein per serving size. Here are some potential consequences of inadequate protein consumption in seniors. This can help you ensure that you have protein-rich foods on hand and ready to eat. This can help save time and ensure that you have a quick and easy meal option that includes protein. This could include a sandwich with grilled chicken or a salad with tofu. This can help prevent overeating at mealtime and ensure that you're meeting your daily protein needs. By following these tips and being mindful of your protein intake, you can help ensure that you're getting the protein you need to stay strong and healthy. They can help you develop a meal plan that meets your individual requirements and preferences. When you don't consume enough protein, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for fuel, leading to muscle loss and weakness. It's important to combine different plant-based protein sources to ensure that you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. This can make it more difficult to perform everyday activities such as walking, climbing stairs, and carrying groceries. On the other hand, those with kidney problems may need to limit their protein intake. You can also try replacing some of your carbohydrate-rich foods with protein-rich alternatives, such as Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise, or nuts instead of chips. The amount of protein you need will depend on the intensity and duration of your workouts, as well as your overall activity level. Adequate protein intake is crucial for maintaining strong bones. Protein provides the framework for bone tissue, and a deficiency can lead to bone loss and increased fracture risk. What happens if you don't get enough protein? These include drinking plenty of fluids, eating smaller, more frequent meals, getting regular exercise, and managing any underlying medical conditions that may be contributing to your loss of appetite. You can also talk to your doctor about appetite stimulants that may be able to help. Not getting enough protein in your diet can lead to a variety of issues, especially as you get older. It's muscle loss and weakness. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength. If it's pale or excessively diluted, you may not be consuming enough protein. However, it's important to note that this is a foolproof method, and you should consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Bone loss and increased fracture risk. Slower wound healing. Protein plays a vital role in wound healing. Weakened immune system. A lack of protein can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Swelling in the legs and ankles. When your body doesn't have enough protein, it may start to retain fluid, leading to swelling in the legs and ankles. Changes in appetite and weight loss. A protein deficiency can lead to changes in appetite and weight loss, hair loss and thinning. Protein is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Easy ways to boost your protein intake. Now that we know what happens if you don't get enough protein, let's look at some easy ways to boost your intake. 1. Eat protein-rich breakfasts. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast to help you meet your daily requirements. 2. Include protein in every meal. Make sure to include a source of protein in every meal to help. Ensure that you're getting enough throughout the day. 3. Snack on nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a convenient and delicious way to boost your protein intake. 4. Drink protein shakes. Protein shakes are a quick and easy way to boost your protein intake, especially if you're struggling to meet your daily requirements through food alone. 5. Top your salads with protein. Add a protein boost to your salads by topping them with grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. 6. Choose protein-rich snacks. 7. Read food labels. Check the nutrition labels on the foods you buy to ensure that you're getting enough protein. 8. Consult with a nutritionist. If you're struggling to meet your protein needs, consider consulting with a nutritionist or dietitian. 9. Consider protein supplements. If you're still struggling to meet your protein needs, you may want to consider taking a protein supplement such as a powder. Tips for eating protein at every meal now that we've covered some easy ways to boost your protein intake. Let's look at some tips for including protein in every meal. 1. Plan ahead. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks in advance. 2. Keep protein-rich foods on hand. Stock your pantry and refrigerator with protein-rich foods such as canned beans, tuna, frozen vegetables, and nuts. 3. Cook in bulk. When you cook, consider making extra portions that you can eat later in the week. 4. Use leftovers creatively. Don't throw away leftovers. Get creative and use them to make new dishes with added protein. 5. Pack a protein-rich lunch. If you bring your lunch to work or school, make sure to pack a protein-rich meal. 6. Have a protein-rich snack before dinner. If you tend to get hungry before dinner, have a protein-rich snack to hold you over. Remember, getting enough protein is essential for maintaining good health as you age. Can you get enough protein on a vegetarian diet? If you're a vegetarian, you can absolutely get enough protein by focusing on plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Do you need more protein if you exercise? Yes. If you exercise regularly, your body will need more protein to help repair muscle tissue and support muscle growth. How can I increase my protein intake without gaining weight? To increase your protein intake without gaining weight, focus on eating lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, and low-fat dairy products. Can I tell if I'm getting enough protein? A simple way to check whether you're getting enough protein is to look at your urine. How can I improve my appetite? If you're struggling to eat enough protein because of a loss of appetite, there are several things you can try. Please like, comment, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We wish you good health and a happy life.